Tips to learn English faster. Ladies and gentlemen, friends, and fellow learners, today, I stand before you with a topic that resonates deeply with millions of people around the world: how to learn English faster. Now, let me begin with a question: why do we want to learn English? For some, it is the dream of studying abroad. For others, it is the chance to get a better job, climb the career ladder, or connect with people across cultures. For many, it is about confidence, the ability to express yourself clearly, to stand tall, and to feel that you belong anywhere in the world. English has become more than just a language, it has become the passport to opportunity. Whether you dream of becoming a leader, a global citizen, or simply someone who can watch movies without subtitles, mastering English is a door that leads to endless possibilities. But here is the challenge: learning English takes time, effort, and persistence. Some people spend years in classrooms yet still feel shy when speaking. Some buy books, download apps, or watch YouTube videos but get discouraged after a few weeks. Some believe English is too difficult, too complicated, or simply not for them. And so today, my mission is simple: to give you not just tips, but also the motivation and mindset to learn English faster, because speed is not only about techniques, it's also about your attitude. If you believe you can learn, if you are willing to take action, and if you stay consistent, you will be amazed at how quickly progress comes. So, let us walk together on this journey. I will share practical steps, tips you can apply starting today. And I will remind you of one truth: you are capable of learning English faster than you ever imagined. Tip 1. Make English a part of your daily life. Imagine trying to swim by reading a book about swimming but never touching the water. Impossible, right? Learning English is the same. You cannot learn by keeping English locked inside a classroom or a textbook. You need to surround yourself with it daily. Every day, choose to live in English. Listen to English songs. Watch English shows. Read short articles. Speak to yourself in English when nobody is around. Even think in English. The more exposure, the faster the brain adapts. Think of a baby. Babies are not born speaking their mother tongue. They listen day and night. Slowly, the brain connects sounds, then words, then sentences. You can do the same with English. Surround yourself until English feels like the air you breathe. Tip 2. Practice speaking without fear. One of the biggest barriers is fear. Fear of mistakes. Fear of judgment. Fear of looking foolish. But let me tell you this: mistakes are proof that you are learning. When a baby learns to walk, it falls hundreds of times. Does the baby say, "Walking is not for me"? No. The baby stands up again. So why do we, as adults, expect perfection? If you want to speak English faster, open your mouth and let the words flow. Don't wait for perfect grammar. Don't wait for the perfect accent. Just speak, find a language partner. Join online communities. Record yourself speaking. Talk to the mirror. The more you speak, the faster your tongue, your brain, and your confidence will synchronize. Remember, fluency is not about being perfect, it's about being understood. Tip 3. Learn vocabulary in context. Many learners try to memorize long lists of words. They fill notebooks with vocabulary but forget them within a week. Why? Because words without context are like seeds without soil. Instead, learn words in real sentences. Don't just memorize journey. Learn it as, "My journey to school takes 30 minutes." Don't just memorize challenge. Use it in, "Learning English is a challenge, but I will overcome it." By using words in sentences, you connect them to meaning and memory. That way, when you need the word in conversation, it comes naturally. Tip 4. Set clear goals. If you aim at nothing, you will hit nothing. The same is true with learning English. You must set clear, achievable goals. Ask yourself, do I want to pass an exam? Do I want to communicate confidently with foreigners? Do I want to read books or watch movies in English? Write your goal down. Break it into small steps. For example, this week, I will learn 20 new words. This month, I will finish one English book. In 6 months, I will hold a 10-minute conversation with a native speaker. Clear goals guide your focus and measure your progress. Tip 5. Use technology to your advantage. We live in the best time in history to learn English. Why? Because technology has put the entire English-speaking world into our pockets. Apps like Duolingo, Babbel, Memrise, or Anki can help you practice vocabulary daily. YouTube offers free lessons from teachers worldwide. Podcasts let you listen while you walk, cook, or commute. Social media connects you with learners globally, but remember, technology is a tool, not a magic wand. Use it with discipline. Instead of scrolling aimlessly, dedicate even 20 minutes a day to focused English practice. Tip 6. Listen more, speak more. Listening is the foundation of speaking. If you want to learn English faster, you must train your ears, listen to native speakers. At first, it may feel overwhelming, too fast, too many new words. But with time, your brain begins to recognize patterns, sounds, and rhythms. And as your listening improves, your speaking naturally improves. Because speaking is simply repeating what you've heard, adjusted to your own thoughts, so, listen every day, news, podcasts, movies, audiobooks. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. The goal is not perfection, it's exposure. Tip 7. Create a learning routine. Motivation is powerful, but routine is stronger. Anyone can feel excited for a day or two. But real progress comes from daily discipline. Set a fixed time for English practice, maybe 30 minutes in the morning or 1 hour in the evening. Treat it like brushing your teeth, non-negotiable. With consistency, English becomes a habit, and habits build mastery. Tip 8. Think in English. Most learners translate from their mother tongue into English. This slows down fluency. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start with small things. When you see a chair, say chair instead of translating. When you are hungry, think, I'm hungry. Slowly, you will reduce translation and speak faster. Tip 9. Surround yourself with positive energy. Learning English is not just about words and grammar, it's about mindset. If you tell yourself, English is too hard, your brain will believe it. If you say, I can do this, your brain will believe that too. Surround yourself with people who encourage you. Join groups of learners who inspire you. Celebrate small victories, finishing a book, speaking a sentence correctly, or watching a movie without subtitles. Stay positive, because positivity fuels persistence. Tip 10. Never give up. Finally, the most important tip of all, don't quit. There will be days when English feels impossible. Days when you make mistakes, forget words, or lose motivation. But remember this, every learner has felt the same. Every fluent speaker you admire once struggled just like you. The difference between those who succeed and those who fail is simple: perseverance. Winners don't quit when it's hard. They keep going until it becomes natural. And one day, without even realizing it, you will find yourself speaking fluently, confidently, effortlessly. So, my dear friends, let me leave you with this message: learning English is not just about mastering a language, it is about unlocking your future. Every word you learn is a step closer to opportunity. Every sentence you speak is a victory over fear. Every mistake you make is a lesson toward success. You have the ability. You have the tools. And now, you have the tips. Start today. Speak today. Listen today. Read today. Write today. Do not wait for the perfect time, because the perfect time is now. And remember, the question is not, can I learn English? The question is, how fast will I learn English if I give my best effort every single day? So rise with confidence. Take action with courage. And commit to this journey with persistence. Because the world is waiting to hear your voice, in English. So rise with confidence. Take action with courage. And commit. Remember, every step you take in learning English brings you closer to your dreams, so keep moving forward with courage and persistence. Thank you, and may your journey to fluency be filled with confidence and success. To this journey with persistence. Because the world is waiting to hear your voice, in English.